Have you ever thought about having your own cutting garden? Picture this: a garden cultivated with the intention of creating charming bouquets and stunning arrangements. An oasis that blesses your home with fresh flowers, adds aesthetic appeal, and invites beneficial insects. Today, we will guide you on how to plan and plant your own cutting garden. The first step in creating a cutting garden is planning. This involves selecting the perfect location, keeping in mind the amount of sunlight, quality of soil, and space available. The choice of flowers is equally crucial. Aim for a mix of varieties that bloom at different times. This strategy ensures a continuous supply of fresh, vibrant blooms. Remember, a well-planned garden is not just aesthetically pleasing, but it also serves as a perpetual source of joy and inspiration. Once you have your plan in place, it's time to start planting. Now, the exciting part begins: planting your garden. It all starts with preparing the soil. A rich, well-draining soil mix is essential for healthy growth. Next, it's time to plant the seeds or bulbs. Make sure to give them enough space to grow, but not too much that they feel lonely. Once your seeds are snug in their beds, it's time to shower them with love and water. Regular watering, weeding, and pruning are integral parts of the garden care routine. No plant likes competition or overgrowth, so keep those weeds at bay and prune when necessary. And remember, patience is a gardener's best friend. With proper care, your cutting garden will provide you with beautiful blooms for many seasons to come. Creating a cutting garden is a rewarding endeavor. It all begins with careful planning, considering the space, light, and soil conditions. Then, selecting the right flowers that not only beautify your garden, but also serve as great cuttings. Don't underestimate the power of good care. Watering, pruning, and nurturing your garden will ensure its longevity. We hope this guide has inspired you to start your own cutting garden. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.